How do we solve this math Olympiad question? We have 7 raised to x plus 7 raised to 2x plus 7 raised to 3x to 14. Without further delay, let us begin. Solution. We have 7 raised to x plus 7 raised to 2x plus 7 raised to 3x equal to 14. This means that 7 raised to x plus 7 raised to 2x could be written as 7 raised to x times 2 plus 7 raised to 3x can also be written as 7 raised to x times 3 equal to 14. Let's proceed further. You will see that 7 raised to x is common. Now, let's suppose 7 raised to x is equal to m. This implies that anywhere we see 7 raised to x, we have to replace it with m. So we have m plus m square plus m cube equal to 14. Let's proceed further. M plus m square plus m cube is equal to, we can rewrite 14 as 8 plus 4 plus 2. Let's proceed further. This means that m plus m square plus m cube is equal to 8 could be written as 2 to the power of 3 plus 4 also can be written as 2 square plus 2. Now, let us transfer each of these guys to the left side. Doing that, we have m plus m square plus m cube minus 2 cube minus 2 square minus 2 equal to 0. Let's proceed further. Now, let us rearrange this left hand side. We have m cube minus 2 cube plus m square minus 2 square plus m minus 2 equal to 0. Now, let's put these guys in brackets. So we have m cube minus 2 cube plus m square minus 2 square plus m minus 2 equal to 0. At this stage, let us recall some beautiful properties. The first one is a cube minus b cube. This could be written as a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. The second property is a difference of 2 square. That is, a square minus b square is equal to a minus b times a plus b. Take note of these two properties. Now, we have to apply this first property to this guy. You will see that our a is m and our b is 2. So, applying this property to this, we are going to have m minus 2 times m square plus 2m plus 4 plus, now let us apply the second property. A square minus b square equals to this guy. You will also see that our a is m and our b is 2. So we are going to have m minus 2 times m plus 2 plus what we have here, m minus 2 equal to 0. What do you notice here? You will notice that m minus 2 is common. M minus 2 is common. That means we can factor it out. Doing that, we have m minus 2 into m squared plus 2m plus 4 plus this m plus 2 plus 1 equal to 0. Let's proceed further. So we have m minus 2 times m squared 2m plus m, that is 3m. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1, so we have 7 equal to 0. Let's proceed further. This implies that m minus 2 is equal to 0, or m squared plus 3m plus 7 is equal to 0. Let's proceed further. Consider this first line, m is equals to 2. Now, since we have 7 raised to x equal to m, let me show you where we got this from. It's from our supposition, 7 raised to x equals to m. Let's proceed further. So we have 7 raised to x equal to, what is m? M is 2. Now let us take log of both sides. Log of both sides. Doing that, we have log 7 raised to x equal to log 2. Also recall that log a raised to m, let's use k to avoid confusion, is equal to k times log a. If we apply this property to this guy, we simply have x log 7 equal to log 2. Now, let's divide both sides by log 7. Clearly, log 7 cancel each other. We are left with x equal to log 2 over log 7. Also, recall that log a over log b could be written as log a base b. Take note of this property. That means from this line we have x equal to, if we apply this property to these guys, we have log 2 base 7. This is the first solution. Let us call it x1. Take note of it. The next thing we are going to do now is to solve the other quadratic equation, which is m squared plus 3m plus 7 equals to 0. So let us do that. So we want to solve m squared plus 3m plus 7 equal to 0. You will see that we can actually solve this quadratic equation using quadratic formula. And the quadratic formula says m is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c divided by 2a. From this equation, our a is equals to 1, b is equals to plus 3, and c is equals to 7. So let us now plug in these values into this right hand side. M equal to minus b is 3 plus or minus square root of b square. That will be 3 square minus 4 times, what is the value of a? A is 1 times, and c is 7, divided by 2 times 1. Let's continue. M is equal to minus 3 plus minus square root of 3 square, that is 9, minus 4 times 1 times 7, that is 28, divided by 2. Let's proceed further. M is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 28, that is negative 19, divided by 2. Let's proceed further. M is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of negative 19 could be written as square root of 19 times square root of negative 1 divided by 2. Let's proceed further. M is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 19. Don't forget, square root of negative 1 from the complex number, that is I. So we have I here, divided by 2. You will see that m equals to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 19, I divided by 2 is a complex solution. So since 7 raised to x is equal to m, this means that 7 raised to x is equal to, what is m now? This is m minus 3 plus or minus square root of 19i divided by 2. Now, what do you think we should do? Let's take log of both sides. Log of both sides. So that will be log 7 raised to x equal to log minus 3 plus or minus square root of 19i divided by 2. Let's proceed further. Log 7 raised to x, we can rewrite it as x log 7 equal to log all of this minus 3 plus or minus square root of 19i divided by 2. Now, let us divide both sides by log 7. So that will be log 7. Divide this also by log 7. Clearly, log 7 cancel log 7. We are left with x equal to log this minus 3 plus or minus square root of 19i divided by 2 over log 7. Let's continue. Now, let us recall another beautiful property. We already stated it earlier, that is log a over log b. This is the same thing as log a base b. So from this line, we have x equal to, applying this particular property to this guy, we have log minus 3 plus or minus square root of 19i over 2 base. What will now be our base? Our base is 7. Base 7. This is another solution. You will see that from this line, x is equal to log. Consider the positive sign, that will be minus 3 plus square root of 19i divided by 2 base 7. Let us call it this one s2. So x3 will now become log. Consider the negative sign, minus, so that will be minus 3 minus square root of 19i divided by 2 base 7. You will see that we have imaginary solution here. x2 and x3 are the imaginary solution, and the first solution that we obtain, which is x1, is equal to log 2 base 7. So we have three solutions for this math Olympiad question. Let us verify the first solution that we have. So verify. So we have to verify just the first solution. Let's verify log 2 base 7 if it is correct. x1 equal to log 2 base 7. The question says 7 raised to x plus 7 raised to 2x plus 7 raised to 3x is equal to 14. Don't forget this is just x is equals to log 2 base 7. This means that we have 7. S is log 2 base 7 plus 7 raised to 2. What is x? S is log 2 base 7 plus 7 raised to 3 log 2 base 7. And you just want to show that this is actually equal to 14. Let us put a question mark here. Let's proceed further. So we have 7 raised to log 2 base 7 plus 7. If we move these two up, that will be log 2 square base 7 plus 7 raised to log. When we move these 3 also up, that is 2 raised to 3 base 7. Let's put the question mark here, equal to 14. Let's proceed further. So we have 7 raised to log 2 base 7 plus 7 raised to log. What is 2 squared? That is 4 base 7 plus 7 raised to log 2 to the power of 3, that is 8 base 7. And we claim that this is equal to 14. Let's proceed further. At this stage, let us recall a very nice property. It says a raised to log b base a. This is equals to b. This is the property. What we have to do now is to apply this particular property to each of these guys. So applying this property to this first one, you will see that our a is 7. A is 7. So this guy becomes 2 plus, applying this property also to this guy, we have 4 plus, applying this same property to this, we have 8. And we claim that this is equals to 14. Now let us add this left hand side. 2 plus 4, that is 6. 6 plus 8, that is simply 14, equal to 14. This means that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So indeed, the first solution that we have here, x1 is equals to log 2 base 7, is correct. This is the complex solution or the imaginary solution, and this is the third solution for this beautiful math Olympiad question. That's it for this video. Thanks so much for joining this live section. See you in the next video.